honeys at? Right here, where my stop at? Right here, where my go getting at? Right here, where my silver spoon women at? Right here, you the girl, let that know. You rent through, girl, let that know. Enjoy yourself, let that know.
Alright, y'all. If you see my dog in the background, y'all, so today I put on my lace. I don't really got too much to say. I don't want to make the intro too long. Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Trust. Yes, y'all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, burger_bull. Period. Yes. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into the video. Let's get into the video. I hate T-part wigs. I hate them. I tried it out because everybody on YouTube be wearing the freak out of these wigs. But these junks do not fit my head. They do not fit my head. And I'm not going to say it's sensational. No, it's not, because I have lots of sensational wigs. Just like the last video. The junk do not fit my head. Like, what the this? It's pissing me off because, yo, the shit is, I mean, I know I just had on the T-part wig, the curly wig. It's the same, basically the same thing, but it won't reach. So it's no point in me gluing it down. Like, ugh. Just like this. I can't even feel. But I'm gonna try to make it work because I did last time, but I've been using this glue for a while now, but I hate this shit. Like, this shit is not annoying. The lace is nice. It just don't reach ear to ear. And that really blows me, because, you know, if you know me, I had a style in mind for this wig, but I'm sitting here like, yo, this shit don't even reach ear to ear. I can't even do what I want to do.
Rio.
Alright, y'all, I'm done applying my wig. It looks pretty good. The lace looks good. It's not bad at all. You guys, I am getting a lot of shedding. Like, this is not the plucking because I already combed it out after I plucked it. So it's shedding quite a bit. You're gonna need to keep your paddle brush with you. Other than that, it's real soft and it's nice. Not really a name for it. It's just say straight 32-inch, and I got it in jet black, which is #1. It's by Sensational. Of course, they butter lace unit. It is a T-part wig. I hate T-part wigs, y'all. I hate them. I hate them. Because if you know me, I like to tuck my hair, but I can't do that because it don't reach ear to ear. Okay, I got hair all over my face. See, y'all? It don't reach ear to ear. That's very depressing. But other than that, it's a pretty nice wig. If you need to like go somewhere quick, like, I'll definitely throw this on. I love straight units. I love them. It's not bad at all, y'all. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I definitely was losing my mind in the video because I was so irritated because I could not get it to lay how I wanted it to lay. But it came out pretty nice. I messed with it. It's cute. Trace. Oh shoot, my necklace all twisted, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Trace. It's a real girl. Yes, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the love I've been getting, all the views I've been getting. Trace, stick with a real girl because it's only gonna get lit from here. It's only gonna get lit from here. Hello? Hello? Period. Trace.